Very, very cool. You never seen
What's the name of the car wash?
a laser. You never seen laser before?
No.
My first time.
Is it on?
Let's see.
Turn on your. Is it on?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right. Let's see.
Oh, it's $10.
The works is $10, so we can do the works.
You never seen a laser before?
No, I
was right. It was a laser the whole time.
That's good.
I've been wanting. Impressed. Lasers don't exist. They do exist.
Yeah, they do.
I didn't see, Mom. You press it. Okay.
Okay, the worst is $10. Premium $9, deluxe $8, basic is $6.
Okay, let's choose 10.
Okay, we're gonna choose the works, which is $10.
Okay, cool. You chose it?
Would you like to have a receipt?
Yes.
Please wait while your card is being authorized. You have purchased the works box. You may enter the box if it is ready.
Okay.
Box is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
You never seen this? A laser. I never.
Let me try. Oh wow.
This is actually cool.
Yeah.
I never seen a laser before. You never seen a laser before?
Nope.
I've been wanting to finally get to see one. I've been wanting to see this for a long time. I heard about the systems. I heard about it. You want to turn the engine off, Mom? Alec?
The pre-fill cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
I have to say, the prices are pretty cheap. It's one of the cheapest ones that I ever seen before. One of the cheapest prices I ever seen before, Mom. Is that pretty cheap? $10 one of the cheapest ones that I ever seen.
It's pretty cool.
That is amazing when they actually have this. Oh. The police is very wow impressive. There you go. Okay.
That's pretty good pre-soak right there.
I have to say, this we need to do. This is kind of cool.
The pre-fill cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
A laser. I've been wanting to see a laser for a long time, Mom.
Yeah.
Finally could find. Is that the prices are pretty cheap?
Yeah.
That's one of the cheapest ones I've ever seen for a long time.
Yeah, it's a good price for what you get. Look.
That's good. I guess you. That's actually pretty cheap, Mom. You never seen a cheap car wash that cheap before? Is that your first time to see that? The cheapest wash you ever seen before?
It's not the cheapest wash.
No,
For the works,
no,
it's
what?
really good.
The works? Is that?
Wow.
Hey, I want to do it, Mom.
There you go. It's on your side.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. Don't go so fast.
Okay.
Get the fan. Stay on that side.
No, I mean.
And then when it moves on my side, I'll take it.
No,
That's pretty cool.
Wow. You know.
Right, Razor Edge. That's the name of the car wash. Oh look, triple foam.
That's actually pretty good coverage.
Triple foam.
The coverage is excellent.
It is
Very well. How is the coverage?
very good.
Wow. A laser. Dude, I've been wanting to see a laser for a long time. I never seen a laser before. I heard about the systems. A laser. That's one.
It's a good amount of water right there.
Dude, that's actually one of the amazing machines I ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
I seen it on YouTube. I never seen it in real life before. In real life, I never seen it in person.
It's moving on your side.
What, you choose? No way, hot wax? I never seen hot wax like this. Hot wax? Dude, that's actually pretty good
It's
cover.
not a wax, it's trifoam.
Trifoam. Oh.
Now sealant is next.
Thanks for telling me.
Is now being applied to your vehicle.
It's telling you.
And I love that voice command. Oh. And it'll be spot treatments next. No, we're doing... What is this? Whoa.
More washing.
You never seen a wetsuit before?
No, this is my first time.
That is amazing. I went and shot. It's still here.
There's the dryer.
Ah, thank you. See?
Thank you. Please exit slowly.
You never. Oh.
What do you think of the dryer?
That's when the cheapest wash it.
What do you think of the dryer?
Yes. Is that one of the cheapest wash you ever seen before? $10? Is that cheap?
I don't know, it's cheap.
We don't know. Yeah.
It's really good for what you get.
Well, yeah. No dry timer here, man. And there's another car behind us, Mom. There's another car right there.
I see that.
The dryers are done now. The dryer is not the best job,